Hi everyone, I'm just going to share with you how to use this app Numbers to auto-grade particular data that you have. Maybe you're collecting it for mental math scores or testing scores, or even in this particular case with guided reading levels. So I've used this. I usually had a paper tracker, but I'm finding that I'm doubling up on my workload by then graphing it in an Excel document after for presenting to parents and stuff like that, and just for my own like collecting evidence and things. I don't want to have to graph twice, so I thought I want to save it and do it all in one, and this is a great way to do that. So I'm going to put this template on the blog so you can download and adjust it to whatever suits you. I'm just going to show you how it will work. So you can see over here there's the child's name, and these are their kind of test results. What I've done is I've linked this column D with the grading system. So over here, when I double tap it, there's a formula that pops up, as you can see, and that kind of auto grades it for you. And I'm going to show you how you can adjust that and what it all means, because it's a bit tricky and it doesn't quite work. So I've deleted over here Sandra Bullock's one. Say Sandra Bullock gets, oops, I'll just adjust that. Say she gets a level 10 on her PM benchmark assessment that I've done with her. And that's the score that I'm going to use for her grading. What I can do is press the double tap on the cell, press the equal sign, and then I'm going to hold down my finger and paste in the formula. Now I've copied that from Dirk Hartog's one that was done up in this cell here. Oops. So I need to adjust it so that it makes sense for Sandra Bullock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, where it says if counter A4, I'm going to change that and click Sandra Bullock because we're doing her. VLOOKUP, that means we're going to look up their test result score that I'm using for their grading. So the most recent one I would like to use. And then I'm not going to touch the grade scale because that actually links down here with the numeric and alphabetic grading system that I've already created. So I'm going to just press the tick button over to the right, and then it will auto grade for me and put it in. And I can keep going and do that with all the children's scores if I like. You can also, if you click down, oops, daisies, and if you click fill, no, let's undo that. Try again. If you click fill and drag it down, it will copy the same algorithm down for them. You'll just have to adjust it a little bit to make sure it is relevant for all the children in your class. So that would be a little bit time consuming, but you can see the benefits of doing this because it auto grades for you. Another cool thing that you can do is add a little graph if you like. So what I did was I pressed the plus sign up here. You can choose your different graphs that you would like, and it depends on the kind of data you're collecting for the type of graph you need to have. So I think I chose this one, and what you'll do is you'll click tap to add data, whoops, and you'll select it from whatever data you want to include in your graph. So I might choose all of this to graph, press done, and then it will autograph things for me. And up here I actually selected the kids' names, so it graphed all of their names and everything in there already. You might like to just do the scores. It just depends on what you would like to graph. So it's really simple, and you can see how it's quite effective for sharing with your deputy, your principal, parents, all that kind of stuff. Another really cool thing you can do is just select one child's data, copy and paste it into another sheet, and then share that with at your parent meeting. I'm still working on how to hook up the reporting side of things, but I'll get that done very soon and share that with you as well in a separate video tutorial, because here you can get all the data for one child already done for you. It's all hooked up and everything. I'm still just working on how to do that. So I hope it's helpful for you and it saves you a little bit of time. You can adjust it for however you want to grade, and put in down the bottom your grading schema that you might be using for your year level. So yeah, good luck, and I hope your reports go well.